Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to screenshot on MacBook. So if you want to learn that how to screenshot on MacBook, this video will show you how to do it. So first there are two methods by which you can easily take it. So first is you can just take a screenshot sort of selected area, and second is whole screen. So there are few shortcuts by using your keyboard you can easily take it. So first one is you have to just press command shift and 4 in your keyboard, command shift and 4, and now you can select the area and you can take the screenshot. If I want to take a screenshot of this area, so I have to just move my cursor like this and screenshot. So you will say that like this you can take a screenshot. Okay, select, and now second method is just press command shift and 3. Okay, you will see that this is the full screen screenshot. So like this you can take a screenshot on your MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.